This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix cannot see who viewed my TikTok profile. So if you can't see who viewed your profile on TikTok, or if you're not getting profile view history on your TikTok, follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is enable profile view option. To do that, go to your TikTok app, tap on your profile, tap on this menu icon at the top right, settings and privacy, tap on privacy, scroll down and tap on profile views, enable profile view history, and then you will be able to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And in your TikTok, if you can't see profile views option, then take a screenshot of this page, then tap on back, scroll down and tap on report a problem, then scroll down and tap on submit a report. And now describe here. You can't see profile view history on your profile and upload the screenshot. All you have to need just submit this feedback, and after doing this, hope TikTok will fix the issue. Then you will be able to see who viewed your TikTok profile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.